I'm going to replace these old C9 Christmas light bulbs with some LED C9 bulbs. With these bulbs, you've probably seen them in, well, these are just what they call the old-fashioned light bulbs. This is how they look. Really ugly. And you can only connect 2 strings of these. This is 25. You can only connect 25 strings. 25 strings, 25 lights on each string, 2 strings. And if you put in too many strings, you will have a blown fuse. So I'm going to replace these with these. And it's easy to do. Just unscrew them. Put in a new bulb. Just unscrew them, put in a new bulb. Unscrew them. Put in a new bulb. Okay, off camera, I'm going to replace all of these and turn the camera back on once I finish, so you'll see how the lights would look. Take it out and replace it. This is the last one. Okay, now all of the lights have been replaced with the LED bulbs. There you can see that. And the good thing with that is, one, you can put in, you can change your light bulbs throughout the year. You can go green for St. Patrick's Day, red for Valentine's Day, and your red, white, and blue, orange for Halloween, and your bright lights for Christmas. You can also take one bulb out, and the rest will not be affected by that bulb missing. Another thing is that it's lower on energy. So you can put these lights up and don't have to worry about a higher utility bill for your Christmas displays. So if you run across some of these old lamps, make sure that you purchase or you find some LED C9 bulbs, or if they're smaller, the C7 bulbs, and replace them and bring those old-fashioned lights back to life. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and come back and check out some of my other videos for this year. Thank you.